Alrighty then. From what I have heard, Among Us has added a new update. This is one of the biggest. Hold up, Steam client services. Hold up, I think I'm going to have to play this update because it's a really cool update. And Guyzo Replay may be yelling at me to, use it, but I know the superior technologies to record this stuff, You guys love OBS, right? Privacy policy, yes, I understand. Yes, please take all of my data. Today it's gonna be great, that's fine. Alright, hosting a game, we're gonna be playing with experts. Only experts. We're not doing it with anyone else. I am Astute Pram. You guys ready for Astute Pram? Alright, let's get some festive vibes going. Let's grab them Santa hat. Let's grab the rock solid, or no, guarding the wall. I think that works better. Let's go with good because I'm very good at this game. Alright, Buy Better is the imposter. He is the cowboy of the hour, which would be very upsetting to know if he did anything. Yeah, alright, it's time for my tasks. Oh, and Noah got dead. That's unfortunate. Alright, well that's fine, it's fine. We don't need to worry. We don't need to play the game correctly. Yeah, the music might be getting more intense, but we just gotta appreciate the more finer things in life. The music seems to be ramping up quite a bit. Alright. Oh, alright. Oh, that's unfortunate. Do I get to survive? Hey, I get to survive! Let's go! All I'm saying, horse mode, I am cracked at. I am so good at this specific mode. Aw, man. Okay, on second thought, I pressed the vent button and it didn't allow me to do anything, so I think that was actually... What is this sprite? David! David, look at this! They added horses to Among Us. They also added cowboys to Among Us as well. So what's your opinions on this? You okay? David, is there some issue? Okay, alright. Thanks.